Hello and welcome back to the 30-day uke course. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and let's get started. Today we're going to do one more thing with the left hand mute because I think that it's super important to not only practice it one day but then apply the left hand mute to different songs. So let's get started. Let's go to an A chord and then I would like for you to hold where the A chord is and mute with the ring and pinky. If you have not seen the left hand muting lesson, by the way, I will link it on the card on the screen and down below. So I would like for you to give me down up and then lift and squeeze the A chord for 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Someone on Patreon requested more Bob Marley and I thought, I know just the thing. We'll practice the left hand mute with Bob Marley. So this is Three Little Birds. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing we have to switch to D chord. Please look up and watch me do it first because it's not just a normal D chord. It is, but look up. Okay, so I'm going to put index, middle, and ring. Look at how the hand pivoted all the way up. And I'm going to rest the pinky as well. So basically I have a finger on every string of, for this, so that I can mute them all. Because if I don't have that pinky there, I get this A, that's way too loud. It's way too clear. I want a mute. And then I play D chord without the pinky, of course. Look up, look up. Look up real quick. Watch me do it. So I'm gonna do. Look at the pinky. Okay. The other thing you need to be careful with as you're going from D to A is to keep the fingers on the string so that you're muting. So that's gonna be a challenge, but let's take the challenge on, head on. This is gonna be fun. Let's do it from the A. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Don't worry about a thing. Switch. 'Cause every little thing. The most important thing is to not get a ringing note unless you're on 2 and 4. And for most of us, we're already getting some muted strings, so it kind of plays to our advantage. Let's try it from the top and just keep this hand 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1. Don't worry about a thing. Okay, if you had a hard time with that switch, look up real quick and watch me do it. I'm just gonna do the switch to D. Now let's go to the next part of the song, and we do introduce an E chord. I know a lot of you don't like E chord, but give me a chance. I promise you're gonna like it. Okay, so we have A this way, look up. The middle finger is going to stay on this string and it's just going to travel to the 4th fret. Then add the ring and pinky behind it and then the index finger. Okay? The reason why I say you're gonna like it is because when you're playing A, you're already kind of in an E position. All the fingers are here. So when you go to E, the index finger is the only one that needs to switch, but everything is almost already in E. Look again. Okay, so let's try that part. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and 2, 4, 1. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds sit by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. Melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Back to the beginning. Singing, don't worry, not a thing. If you are an overachiever, I would like to challenge you to build this up to the tempo that's on the song. Don't worry, not a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Na 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 na, swallow with the rising sun. Three little birds survive my doorstep, singing sweet songs. Melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Okay, so today we did a lot of challenging things. We put eighth notes together because we're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and which is subdividing. We're doing the left hand mute, we're doing E chord on top of this, and we're singing. So know that, and the two hands are doing two different things. So be patient with yourself if this takes time. You're doing something super challenging, like super challenging. The fact that you're here trying to master this, to push yourself out of the comfort zone, already puts you miles ahead of so many people who are too intimidated and don't even try. So pat yourself on the back for that, feed the chicken, and come back for tomorrow's video. I will see you there. Sayonara!